Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're talking about a lip kit that promises to deliver long-lasting, high-impact color with a glossy finish. Whether you're a busy professional or just someone who loves a flawless lip, this kit from KIKO Milano might have just what you need. Let's break it down and see how these liquid lipsticks perform in real life. The KIKO Milano Unlimited Double Touch Lipstick Kit includes 3 two-step liquid lipsticks, each consisting of a base color and a top gloss. What stands out right away is the innovative formulation, specifically the base color's adherent formula. It's enriched with film-forming polymers, which are supposed to help the color stay put for hours, giving you that perfect lip look without frequent touch-ups. The gloss, on the other hand, promises to add a touch of shine while soothing the lips, leaving them feeling comfortable and looking radiant. I've been testing out these lipsticks for a few weeks now, and I'll be sharing my real-world experience with you. First, let's talk about the application. The base color has a smooth, almost gel-like texture that glides on effortlessly, providing an even coat. The consistency is thicker than a typical liquid lipstick, which I actually liked because it didn't bleed or settle into fine lines. You really only need a thin layer to get full coverage, which is great for long-lasting wear. Once you've applied the base color, you let it set for a moment before applying the gloss. The gloss itself isn't sticky at all, and it adds a gorgeous shine without feeling heavy on the lips. This combination, base color plus gloss, definitely lives up to the long wear promise. Even after drinking or eating, I found the base color held up well, with only minor fading around the edges. The gloss, however, does need to be reapplied every couple of hours to maintain that radiant shine. The comfort level is impressive, especially for a long wear product. While some liquid lipsticks can feel drying, I didn't experience that with the KIKO Milano kit. The base color stays comfortable throughout the day, and the gloss helps keep the lips feeling hydrated. Now, let's take a look at the pros and cons. On the plus side, the KIKO Milano Lip Kit delivers on its long-lasting color promise. The two-step system is easy to use, and the glossy finish really elevates the overall look. The texture of the base color is comfortable and non-drying, which is a huge win for me. The gloss adds that radiant, high-shine finish without being sticky, so your lips don't feel weighed down. However, there are a couple of downsides. First, while the color is long-lasting, the gloss does need reapplication throughout the day. This might be a deal breaker for someone who prefers a completely low-maintenance lipstick. Secondly, I wish the color range was a bit more diverse. 3 shades is nice, but a few more options would be great for different skin tones and preferences. In terms of value for money, I think the KIKO Milano Unlimited Double Touch Lipstick Kit is fairly priced. You're getting 2 products in one: an all-day base color, and a gloss that adds shine and hydration. Considering the quality and longevity of the product, it's a good investment, especially if you're someone who loves a flawless, high-shine lip look. Comparing this kit to others in the market, I'd say it holds its ground. Many long-wear lipsticks can feel drying or uncomfortable, but this one stays comfy for hours, which is a major advantage. However, if you're after a purely matte lip, this kit might not be for you, since the gloss keeps the lips glossy and hydrated. As for build quality, the packaging is sleek and sturdy. The applicators work well, and the overall design feels premium without being overly complicated. I don't foresee any issues with durability or product wastage. If you're someone who wears lipstick throughout the day and is looking for a product that offers long-lasting wear and comfort, the KIKO Milano Unlimited Double Touch Lipstick Kit is a great choice. While the gloss may need a touch-up, the base color stays in place, making this kit a solid option for anyone looking for vibrant, comfortable lip color. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. If you're interested, you can find the link to purchase the product in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.